Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. As you see, we are here today to show you the best medicine apps. This is the apps we prepare. This is how to stay healthy with natural apps. So I've already prepared this apps on my YouTube channel. Go and watch it. I want to talk about the health benefit of these apps. So follow us.
Beautiful people, thank you for joining us.
Yes.
Today we are not eating swallow.
No swallow.
No football.
No.
So sometimes we need to take good care of our body, okay? Eat good food, not just eating good food, drink good water, because a lot of water can cause a lot of havoc in the body system. So you need good water, okay? Then aside good food, good water, you need to stay in a clean environment.
Yes.
Then aside that, you need good medicine to stay healthy, natural ones. Sometimes these natural ones, you can get them, if for those who stays in, you can get them. It's very easy. Like this particular one here, how we prepared it is on our YouTube channel. The ingredients we use are the common ones. Yes. So if you have not watched the video, please take some time, go and watch the video. So this herb, this tea herb we are using, this is our second time.
Yes.
After preparing it, we have added water. So we are going to show you, we are going to take our tea now. How we take it. Yes, how we take it. So it's not bitter. The kids are taking it. And these days, we have been taking it. So anything in kind of like infection, dirty, all those like you see some people, they'll say, hey, my waist, hey, leg go pain. All those things are things of the past. When you are taking this, you just see yourself. You will not even know, you will not even be thinking that you have one problem or the other, and it will make you sleep naturally. It's not like a lot of people who have like insomnia, those who find it difficult to sleep. This one is not a sleeping tablet, but when I mean sleeping, you sleep natural. If you want to sleep, just maybe you decide to say, okay, I want to sleep. Within 10-15 minutes, you are gone. Not the one, someone will be on the bed counting the stars for 2 hours, the eyes is still open. This one, if you want to sleep, there's no time, you sleep. And if you wake up, it's not the type you wake up, you be feeling body pain, be stretching. You just wake up like a robot, So this is very medicinal. Yeah, those, a lot. So this is what we take to stay healthy. And if it comes to for cough, if it comes to strength, you want to walk, you walk. The beauty part of it is good for man and woman, good for men's health and a woman's health. Okay, for man's health, a lot of men are weak. Yes. They, apart from the body pain, weak, maybe in the other room, very good. Yes. As a woman, if you have a maybe menstruation issue, take it. Infection. It's too much. In Yoruba, they call it bombonishi. So beautiful people, in order not to waste time, let's go straight to why we are here. So we are going to let me show them. Okay, so beautiful people, I need to show, I need to take our people along. So beautiful people, this is the app. I don't know. This is the herb. After second time we have added water.
Yes.
So it has, really, produced a lot of ingredients out.
You see?
Empty that. It has become darker.
It's okay like this?
Okay, just put up so that we'll take from there. That one is enough. You can cover it.
So, beautiful people, this is our herbs. This is nice, and try and be prepared this for your family. It's very medicinal, natural.
So, beautiful people, this is our tea, our herb. This tea is very important. We take good care of ourselves because most times when we have a lot of toxin in our body, we need something to cleanse it off. Most especially when we don't eat good food. Like, we have a lot of fake food, maybe fast food, a lot of all that, all those junks. When it gets to the body, with the natural stress we have, economic stress, a lot, family stress, those things, naturally you just see people adding weight. A lot of people be complaining, obesity, tiredness. Before you know, one problem or the other, cancer. This is what you need. There's no chemical here. It's just natural. Okay, this one, if you are taking it like tea, it's good for adults and children.
Yes.
Then for pregnant women,
yes,
and they can take a little
small.
Yes, because it's not chemical, it's natural. They can
because
take little.
It cure infection.
Yes. Then if you are taking this, if you have any kind of dirty in your body, it will flush it out. If it doesn't make somebody to be purging, if you take it, you may just go to maybe to the restroom, maybe just once. And it will be very easy. It aid digestion. You won't just feel anything. It will just come out very easy. You will know something came out from your body. You just see like those having acne, pimples, you clear all those things off. It's natural. And when you are healthy, you have that natural strength to do something. Many times, a lot of men cannot even carry 50 liter of jerry can of water or carry some heavy load because of, before they try to do something, they will complain, hey, my waist, my healthy person, you'll be strong naturally. You understand? Naturally. So this is our juice. So madam, take some. This is how we take it. We just decided to show it's not bitter.
It's not bitter.
Sorry, don't let it stain your cloth, dear. Yes, this is how we do it back there. You see? So beautiful people, you see? This is the one we have taken.
So it's not compulsory you get all the ingredients we prepare.
Yes.
You can prepare only aridon, just soak
the
it,
iron fruit,
or boil it and drink it, or glove. You only anyone
the add-on fruit, English name is add-on fruit. In Yoruba it's called aridon. In Ghana here they call it prekese. So other ones are some other common ones, like the negro pepper. Okay, whatever you can get. You can also add more if you want to make it even more spicy.
Yes.
Lemongrass.
All these herbs they use this to cook food.
Yes.
So it's not poison.
It's
very
natural.
Natural. You stay healthy.
Because health is wealth. We need to be strong, at least if not for ourselves, for our loved ones and our family, because they will when someone is sick, it's also affect other people.
Yes.
Okay. So please, let's try to be healthy, stay healthy, share this video with your friends and family. Keep them healthy by sharing this video.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
See you in our next video. Bye-bye.